Okay, so here's the second problem. You start with the same thing.
Alright.
Square whose side length is 1. Okay. But this time I want you to, and you know, again, you can do whatever you want. You have whatever resources you need. And I want you to make a square whose area is 3 now.
Well, so I'm gonna have to cut this square at some point. Somewhere. So this side length is 1 over square root of 3. And then 1, and then this is 2. No, it's not gonna help. So I need to cut this square. Well, having a side length of root 3 is impossible right now.
Okay. Why?
Because the square is not big enough. The longest distance you can have in this square is root 2.
Mm-hmm.
So, maybe if I sort of had 4 squares, and then I've got a side length of 1, and then side length of root 2, and then this is root 3.
Okay, how did you make that root 2 over there?
So I just picked a point where it's root 2 away from this point right here.
Yeah, but how are you going to do that? How are you going to measure root 2?
Well, like from our previous square, I can just chop one of these squares in half and take the diagonal and just measure it along like that.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Alright, so now you've got this 1, root 2, root 3 triangle. So why don't you just draw it? So now you've made this triangle. 1, root 2, root 3.
And now, it's gonna be interesting if I can draw it. But, so, this is hard to draw. So the side of 1, and then a side of root 2. So you can put it together like this, and then I'm pretty sure I can cut out this shape, at least from some.
I have to say, I'm not sure that that's going to be, that putting these two sides of length 1 together like that is going to form a 90-degree angle. Right? Like this is definitely 90, and that's definitely 90. But I don't think these two angles next to each other are 90.
They'd be less than 90.
Yeah, so I'm not sure that picture works, but I think you're on the right track.
So I think, and it would look something a little you'd have more of this like star shape. We have the 1 or 2 or 3 like that. And it's not drawn particularly well, but sort of generally how it looks.
Can you put them together like that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let me ask you this now. One of those two angles has to be bigger than 45 degrees, right?
Yeah. So I don't think I can put them together like this.
Okay.
But I need to put them together somehow. I can put them together in a rhombus shape. It's not going to be a square. Where all the root 3's are facing out.
Right, there you go. So now you got a rhombus but not a square. Okay. How can you put them together in a square? How can you put them together? Sorry, not in a square, but to make a square. All you want to do is just make a square.
With the root 3 edges facing out. So I can't really have them overlap. But what if I put them in the square? So the sides of length 1 and the sides of length root 2 overlapped. Because these two angles would add up to 90.
Okay. Alright, now that's interesting. Good thinking.
But I'm not sure if I'm going to get a shape like this. Let me draw this so it's a little bigger. So we've got a side keeps looking isosceles.
You don't have to draw it perfectly. Just draw it approximately how you think it'll work.
Alright, there's 1 and root 2. And then when I put the root 2 side of the next triangle next to the 1. So 1 and root 2 like that.
Okay.
And then I put the root 2 side here. So I got 1. And then I put the root 2 side here. And a 1.
Okay.
Like this. And then I've got this little square in the middle though.
Alright, but what did I ask you to make?
The square of side length root 3. Or area 3, but
Okay. Did you do it?
yeah.
Okay. So what are you saying but?
Well, yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Alright, good job.